This is GATE 2016 Metallurgical Engineering question number 52. In a sand mold, a sprue of 0.25 meter height and a top cross section area of 2.2 meter square is provided to maintain the metal flow rate at 4 meter cube per second. To prevent aspiration of molten metal, the maximum cross sectional area in meter square at the base of the sprue is. So we have to calculate the maximum cross sectional area at the base of the sprue. So as you may know, sprue is like a chamber. I will just draw it here. So sprue consists of this and this. So it will be connected like this. So, and from here we pour the molten metal. So they have given us the top surface area AT, which is 2.2 meters square. Now we have to calculate AB. So we have to calculate this. So firstly we should know what is aspiration of molten metal. The pressure in the liquid metal stream being moving through the sprue should not fall below the atmospheric pressure. So here P1 and here P2. P1 and P2 should be same. If these are not same, then atmospheric gases can be absorbed in the molten metal and in low pressure areas, and this phenomena is known as basically the aspiration effect. So let's say if this phenomena occurs in casting, then our casting will be porous. Most of the the regions will have some porosity because of these gases. Hence we want to avoid this. So if we have to avoid this, we have to design a sprue in such a manner that no aspiration takes place. So given is that the flow rate is given 4 meter cube per second and height of the sprue is 0.25 meter. So we know that because of continuity equation, the flow should be equal from top also and bottom also, so that no gas can enter. So A1 V1 equal to A2 V2, and V2 is given by root of 2gh, and this is the derivation from the Bernoulli's principle. You can refer to Bernoulli's principle. It is a small concept where you can find out that V2 becomes root of 2gh. Hence if you find out Q, we know that Q is 4 and A is the area, like final area, into root of 2gh. So G is 9.81 and H height is given as 0.25, and we have to find out the area. So area comes out to be 1.806 meter square.